Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Happy Saturday, everyone. It is a beautiful start to your day. A little on the chilly side, but we are waking up to a lot of sunshine and beautiful clear skies. So at least we have that going for us. If we take a look at Narragansett Beach right now, you can see that sun picking up over those clouds. Now, normally we would have seen it right on the horizon with how clear it is, but these clouds are sort of off in the distance. They're not directly overhead. This is actually some of the outer activity from Fiona. As it continues to track to the north, we're still dealing with some of that lingering cloud coverage for parts of the Cape, and we are also dealing with a little bit of some breezy kind of quality out there right now. Looking out towards Providence from our Kettle Point camera, it looks stunning out there. Here's a look at some of the numbers. 47 degrees. Feels like 42 thanks to that breeze. We're going to stay kind of on the active side this afternoon. Temperatures topping out only in the 60s, but for right now, 46 for Westerly, 44 for Smithfield, New Bedford right now, 45 degrees, Newport 48. Here's a look at that satellite and radar, and again, you can see just that sharp cutoff of where those clouds just kind of quickly end right along the Cape. All of that will continue to lift up to the north, kind of following the remnants of Fiona right now. It's a post-tropical cyclone. It's starting to really fall apart and become less and less organized, but still packing a bit of a punch for parts of Canada. Some pretty strong wind speeds and a lot of rain, and the rain's going to continue even as that continues to kind of fall apart. We're going to stay dry though. We're tracking some high pressure down to the south. It's going to be nice and clear all the way through the rest of today and even into the overnight hours. For your morning forecast, a little chilly out there. We're going to warm up relatively quickly. However, we're just going to stay below average. So we're really not going to get it as warm as what we're used to. We're going to stay in the 60s, and you combine that with the kind of breezy conditions, and that's going to make it feel even cooler this afternoon. So wind staying consistently out of the northwest for most of the day today. Later this evening and overnight tonight, that's when things start to change. We'll be not really under the influence of Fiona anymore, and we'll start to see that kind of wind flip to the south, which will have an impact for tomorrow. But for today, staying northwest, a little on the breezy side, some stronger wind gusts as well. 25 to almost 30 miles an hour, making things feel just a little bit cooler when that wind starts to kick up. Here's a look at that hour-by-hour forecast again. Mid to upper 60s is kind of going to be the temperature range for this afternoon. Overnight tonight, staying mostly clear. You're starting off your Sunday. Chilly, but a few degrees warmer, a decent amount of sunshine out there. Throughout the day Sunday is when things really start to change. We're going to track some more clouds as they develop and kind of roll in from the south throughout the afternoon. Following that, a chance for some showers as we look forward to this evening, and then you really start to dry out and your Monday starts off pretty good. The tropics, they are continuing to warm up and ramp up their activity now that Fiona is continuing to dissipate and move further off to the north. We're going to keep our eye on our next system, and that is right now Tropical Storm Ian. Now currently sitting just south of Haiti. It's going to continue to track west before it makes that turn back up to the north early in this week that's coming up. It's going to cross over Cuba and then take aim at Florida, possibly as a Category 3 hurricane. So we're keeping a close eye on Ian for impacts in Florida, but also the possibility for the remnants to head up towards our area late this week. Before that, though, a beautiful stretch of weather, very quiet, dry with a lot of sunshine out there. You can head over to our website, that's WPRI.com. We've got the full 7-day forecast. You can check it out anytime you like.